I have a handbag unboxing for us today. I already have this exact bag in my collection. However, the one I have is in a solid color. This is in a stunning new design. I don't usually get bags that have designs on them. I tend to prefer solid colors. But when I saw this one, I knew I had to have it, especially when I also saw the name of the design. So we'll open this up, take a look, and do all the usual things. A good old-fashioned handbag unboxing. And I'll also compare this to the bag I already have and another one in a smaller size. Welcome, I'm Autumn Beckman, and I'm here to help you live your most luxurious life within your budget. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my new videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, or Saturdays, or my daily community posts where I post about sales and fabulous handbags that I want to share with you. Also, don't miss my website, autumnbeckman.com. That's where you'll find things that I've designed to help you curate and organize a purposeful collection of your most treasured things. For example, the My Handbag Collection Organizer. Here's the front and back of the item tracker, which is the heart of this planner. This is where you put all the information you would ever need to know about your handbags and small goods. Now let's get into this box. I love the bag that I already have, and I was wanting to get a couple more in a few different colors because it's a very practical bag, but also stylish and chic. And I love their colors, their solid colors, but I also love some of the patterns that they have. So I wanted to get one in a pattern, and like I said, when this one popped up, I knew that was for me. Here's the inside of the box. No padding, but it doesn't need it. And it comes in a very nice dust bag. I will also say, in my experience, there's a tendency for these bags to look different in person, the colors of them to look different, like a little darker, than they do in the photographs online. So fingers crossed, because a few of these that I've ordered have looked very different in person. I think when you get them in the sunlight, they look better. But anyway, let's get this open. It is this. Okay, this colorway is perfect. This is the St Barts Tote by Neghetti, and this is in the small size and the colorway. So you see the pattern here with the kind of cross-hatched colors, sort of a plaid. They have that in a few different colorways. This one is called Taos, like Taos, New Mexico, the city there. So when I saw this colorway, I was immediately drawn to it. And when I saw the name, I understood why, because it's the colors of the American Southwest. And Paul and I love going there. We've been there several times. Paul has friends there that we stay with. On our way moving from Texas to Oregon, if you saw that video, we stopped at the friend's house for a couple days and stayed with them. They're in Santa Fe. But we've also been up to Taos, and Paul has some amazing photographs from Taos, so a little personal connection. And one thing I didn't realize is that the pattern's a little different on each side. So here you have the blue-gray color on the top, and the handle is that blue-gray, and when you turn it around, it has kind of the opposite. The blue-gray is down here, and then that sand color is up top. So the handles are two different colors. But I love the color combination here, especially this rust color, which is the color of some of the earth up there, or down there now. I forget, I'm up north now. So beautiful. I'm very happy with this. It comes with a couple of accessories. First of all, it has a crossbody strap. So I'll show you that in a minute when we do the mod shots. And like all St. Barts totes from Neghetti, it comes with a matching pouch. And one of these pouches that I got on a previous Neghetti St. Barts bag that I purchased was all wonky on the top. This one looks perfect. That is so pretty. I love that you can use these with other bags too. It's such a great little extra for it to come with. It feels like there's something inside, and I have no idea what that would be. So let's open this. There's a second strap. I'm confused. And some tissue paper. So the inside of the pouch is lined in fabric. It has a little tag there that says Neghetti, and the zipper pull says Neghetti on one side, but not the other. As for the bag, the interior is one big open space. There is no organization. On the bottom, you have a stiff base shaper that is not removable. And on the small size and the petite size, you have the little D-rings on the side. And I would point out the small bag and the petite bag both have those little D-rings for the crossbody strap, but the large size and the medium size totes do not have crossbody straps. They are top handle only, but you can slip those over your shoulder too. But they're still short handles, but this, oh, did I mention, for those of you who don't know, these bags are made of neoprene, and it's woven neoprene. The small size is so lightweight. and the handles will stretch as you put weight in the bag. Now for the straps. I'm not sure why I got two. I think it's only supposed to come with one, but I'm not complaining. You can see they're different colors, and this one is a little bit more narrow. Either one would be great with the bag. They both match it really well. And I just checked online to see if maybe the small size comes with that wider strap, and maybe the petite would come with the more narrow one that's a little different color. But it's really hard to tell in the photographs, and I also saw this size bag with a strap that was this rust color. So I have no idea what's going on there, but I'll take both straps. The base of the bag is 8 1/4 inches across and 6 1/2 inches wide. And the body of the bag is 8 inches tall. Here are my two St Barts bags in the small size. This one is olive green, and then of course the Taos. This green works really well for me, and these bags are so practical because they're really comfortable. The small size is versatile, and they're basically weatherproof. They don't have a way to close the top, but I've been out in the rain with the green one and it has been just fine. You just kind of put your hand over it and it's not a big deal at all. Oh, I really love this new one. It's beautiful. I also have, just for size comparison, this petite one. This one is unusual because it's not neoprene, it's done in velvet. This was a special edition for the holidays, and I can tell you I do prefer the neoprene. But there's a big size difference between these two. I have found that when I've watched reviews online of people who got the petite, a lot of them say it's too small and wish they had gotten the small size instead. So there you go. I just undid the straps, and you can see there's a big difference in the size of the hardware. So I do suspect that this wider strap was for the small and the other was for the petite. But I was lucky to end up with both. And I actually prefer the color of the petite size. So good for me. The strap has that leather bit on one end, but then it's adjustable, and the other end just looks like this, so it can move through that loop and adjust. And comparing that wider strap with the olive strap from my olive bag, those two are the same size, which further confirms for me that the wider strap is supposed to go with the small size. So that is the one I will try on for you. When I adjust the strap to the very shortest length, it would make a great shoulder bag, and it would sit right there. And this strap is fully adjustable, so I can wear it crossbody. I think I'd want it a little bit shorter than that, but it can go longer than that too. In terms of what fits, it's a very spacious bag, so you can put just about anything. It'll fit regular size books. Here's my iPad mini, and that fits right at the base of the bag. It's about the same size as the base. So that would give you an idea. And what I do when I carry that bag is I use pouches to help with organization. This pouch fits the iPhone 10. I don't know if it would fit the Max because I don't have one, but let me give you the dimensions of it. It's 7.5 wide by about 5 1/4 tall. And what I do is keep my phone and my keys, sometimes my wallet in here. My wallet's pretty easy to find though, but those things that I want to find very quickly and can get lost, those go in the pouch. I'm so glad that I picked up this colorway with this stunning pattern. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think, because they have new patterns out every season and new colors. So what's your favorite? Have you picked one up yet? Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.